Welcome to TechSoftSolution. We will learn difference between DBMS and RDBMS in this session. Okay. So what do you mean by DBMS and RDBMS? So DBMS is nothing but a database management system, and RDBMS is nothing but a relational database management system. DBMS is an example. We can say MS Excel, FoxPro, etc. They are the storing data in the form file, as in table format, as nothing but department number, location, ID. Okay, and the RDBMS, the example is nothing but Oracle, MySQL, and SQL servers, etc. They store the data in the database. It is nothing but a table, but that table contains a row, and each row is a file in it. Okay, in database management system, we can say a row in the database management system is called as a record. So in Excel, if you have one sheet, in one sheet we have one row, so one row is nothing but a record. Over here we can say a row for a single row, and tuple or entity or an opportunity. In database management system, the files are nothing but .txt, .jpg, .png, or any file format is known as a database management system. In the RDBMS, files nothing but the tables, relations, and entity classes are nothing but a relational database management system examples. Database management system requires more programming. It's required less programming. Example: MS Excel, FoxPro, etc. They are storing data in form of file as in table format, as like this. Relation between two tables can be specified at the time of the table creation. For an example, key constraint. So what is the drawback in the database management system? We can't maintain any relation between the one table to another table in the Excel. We have two sheets, one sheet and second sheet. In both of the sheet we can't maintain a relation. Over here we can say that RDBMS. In the RDBMS, if you want to maintain a relation from one table to another table, we can create a foreign key constraint. Database management system, it requires more time for development, software development. It requires less time for software development. It required high network traffic. So relational database management system required less network traffic. Database management system processing at client machine. It is processing at server side, hence it is known as a client server architecture. DBMS slow and expensive. RDBMS is fast and cheaper in terms of cost of hardware as well as in software. Database management system, file level locking is available. Over here in the RDBMS, row level locking is available. Not suitable for multi-user. Whole file can be read only for other user if someone already doing some processing with the same file. Suitable for multi-user, because row level locking there were other. So basically we can say suitable for multi-user. Why? We have one table contain 10 rows. One row accessing by one of the person by running some query. So other 9 rows are available for other users to access and do any manipulation on those data, which is not available in the database management system. Database management system is not a distributed environment. RDBMS supports distributed environment where our database run on cloud, and we can access those database anywhere from the world by the internet. The next lecture topic would be a distributed database. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us in the comment. We will glad to help you. Thanks for watching. Hit or like button or subscribe our channel for more details for next lecture.